I was replacing the bonnet on a Nipco Classic Pro gate valve and the PVC cracked. Since I still have access to my other gate valves, should I stick with the Nipco brand or will something like American Valve be fine? The Nipco valves are probably 20 plus years old. I plan to switch to lead-free valves. Or is there a better option than gate valves when dealing with a pool?
So if one valve is already 20 years old, my recommendation would be to replace them. The only advantage of having gate valves versus ball valves is the space required. And you may need to have gate valves just in terms of the space you need to work. We try, as a rule, to use ball valves just because they tend to be easier to work on, easier to take apart and deal with. Do you need ball valves? No, but they're certainly easier in the long run than gate valves. But if you already had problems with one, I would replace both of them and be done with it.